Do you feel constantly drained, even after resting? Do small tasks feel overwhelming? Do you feel emotionally exhausted, like you have nothing left to give? This may not be laziness. It may be emotional burnout. In this video, we'll explain the psychology and neuroscience behind emotional burnout in simple, clear language. What is emotional burnout? Emotional burnout happens when stress becomes chronic, not just for days, but for weeks, months, sometimes years. It's when your brain and nervous system stay in survival mode for too long. Eventually, they run out of energy. The stress system overload. Your body is designed to handle short-term stress. When something stressful happens, the amygdala detects threat. Stress hormones like cortisol increase. Your body prepares for action. This is healthy for a short time. But when stress never stops, cortisol stays elevated. The nervous system never fully relaxes, and your brain becomes exhausted. The prefrontal cortex fatigue. The prefrontal cortex helps you make decisions, focus, regulate emotions, stay organized. Chronic stress weakens this area. That's why during burnout, you may notice brain fog, poor concentration, irritability, low motivation. It's not that you don't care, your thinking brain is tired. Emotional drain from constant giving. Burnout is common in people who care deeply, take on responsibility, avoid conflict, struggle to say no. When you constantly support others without recovery, your emotional reserves empty. And without boundaries, the brain never gets to recharge. Dopamine depletion. Dopamine is linked to motivation and pleasure. Under long-term stress, dopamine levels can decrease. That's why things you once enjoyed may now feel dull. This can look similar to depression, but often it's exhaustion. Signs of emotional burnout. Feeling tired all the time, emotional numbness, cynicism or irritability, detachment from work or relationships, trouble sleeping, reduced productivity. You may feel like you're running on empty, because you are. Why rest alone isn't enough. Many people try to fix burnout with sleep, but burnout isn't just physical, it's emotional and neurological. If the stress source continues, the nervous system stays alert. True recovery requires reducing pressure, not just adding naps. Rewiring the burned-out brain. Recovery begins with safety and boundaries. Small steps matter. Reduce one stressor. Say no to one unnecessary task. Take short, intentional breaks. Limit overstimulation. Talk openly about your limits. Each boundary sends a message to your brain. The threat is reducing. Over time, cortisol decreases. Energy slowly returns. To summarize, emotional burnout is chronic stress overload. The amygdala and cortisol systems stay activated. The prefrontal cortex becomes fatigued. Dopamine decreases, lowering motivation. Boundaries and stress reduction help recovery. You are not weak, you are overwhelmed, and your brain is asking for balance. If this video resonated with you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy. Comment what is draining you the most right now. Awareness is the first step to recovery.